Hi everyone, welcome to LTL channel where you can watch videos of a variety of things. If you're new to this channel or has not subscribed yet, please subscribe now. So what I'm bringing you this time is a time-lapse jigsaw puzzle and the strategy to build it. Even a 4-year-old can do it. Last video was about strawberry dessert. If you didn't get a chance to watch that video, you can click on the ribbon above or it will be in the description for you. Back in the days when I attended a summer camp, the kids were playing jigsaw puzzles there. Honestly, it was my first time seeing a jigsaw puzzle. The kids were so quick at building the puzzle. This goes there, that goes there. I said, I don't know where any of these go. So, one summer I got jigsaw puzzles for myself. Guess how many pieces it was? Not 50, nope, not 100, not even 500. I went straight to 1,000 pieces. Yeah, that's what I thought too. Am I crazy? Anyways, I opened these boxes and I'm like, oh my god, what was I thinking? I had to start somewhere, right? Well, that didn't go well. Then I thought to myself, there has to be a strategy in building these puzzles. No, I didn't have a cell phone to Google or YouTube. So I figured it out myself, and that is what I'll be sharing with you all. Follow these strategies and you'll have success in building jigsaw puzzles. Hey, you can also do 1,000 pieces puzzles or more. So what I have right here is 4-pack puzzles for ages 3 to 6 plus. It has 2 packets of 48 pieces, 1 packet of 72 pieces, and 1 packet of 100 pieces. This is great for starters to build their skills. As you can see, it comes in storage bags where you can store it away and practice again and again. First, I'm going to be showing you 48 pieces done by my 4-year-old. Whenever you do a puzzle, make sure you have enough space to work on it. So have an area to lay out your puzzle pieces. Enjoy watching her. So what was the first strategy? First strategy is to find the 4 corner pieces. Corner pieces have 2 flat sides as seen in this picture. Second thing to do is collect all the sides of the puzzles. So the sides of the puzzles will make the border of the puzzle, and it has 1 flat side as seen in this picture. Third, you can color coordinate the sides and the other puzzle pieces. Then start building the border of the puzzle first, then move on to the middle. Voila! Here we have the 48 pieces of puzzle by my 4-year-old. Now I have my 6-year-old doing 72 pieces. Enjoy! You can also get a puzzle mat to keep your puzzles safe while working on it. What's the strategy again? Find the 4 corners first, then find the sides to do the border of the puzzle, then color coordinate and start building. I hope you're getting a hang of it. And here we have it, my 6-year-old doing 72-piece puzzle for the first time. Now this one is done by my 9-year-old. I'm sure you'll have the strategies down by now. Whether you're working on 100 pieces or 1,000 pieces, you can use Ziploc bags to keep the pieces you already sorted out. So this way, when you come back to finish the puzzle, you don't have to start all over again. Again, first find the 4 corners, then the sides to do the border, and color coordinate and build. And here we have, ta-da, the 100 pieces done of the world we live in. So, what do you think? Would you start out with 500 pieces or 1,000 pieces or more? My next one is 2,000 pieces. I can't wait to do that one. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think puzzles are great entertainment to spend time with family, especially during this COVID season. Stay home, stay safe. Next video will be on a mask that you don't have. Thank you for watching LTL channel.